lot of distortion pedals have a, you know, it can sound good with one amp and then another amp that's gonna kind of sound weird. This thing is pretty solid on everything I plug it in.
The cool thing is it's two pedals in one pedal, so you've got this amazing variation.
The AC Plus, of course, as you guys know, is a great crunching type sound.
This gives me a little bit more of that brightness. It almost makes it sound like a tube amp now for me, you know, which is kind of cool.
So many combinations and different sounds they can get out of this little amazing box.